Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a dedicated server. First, clearly define your server's purpose, whether it's for web hosting, gaming, or data storage. This decision will heavily influence your hardware choices, such as the CPU, RAM, and storage capacity. For example, a gaming server might need more RAM, perhaps 16 gigabytes or more. Next, select an operating system like Ubuntu Linux or Windows Server, considering your technical expertise and application requirements. Once your hardware is ready, install your chosen operating system. Many providers offer automated installation, or you can do it manually. After the OS is installed, configure your network settings. This includes assigning a static IP address and setting up DNS to ensure your server communicates effectively online. Finally, install any essential software, such as a web server like Apache or Nginx, or a database system like MySQL, depending on your server's role. Security is paramount for any dedicated server. Start by implementing a robust firewall, configured to block all incoming traffic by default, and only open specific ports you absolutely need. Always use strong, unique passwords for all accounts, and enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Crucially, keep your operating system and all installed software updated with the latest security patches to guard against vulnerabilities. Maintaining your dedicated server ensures its long-term health and performance. Regularly monitor server performance, checking CPU and memory usage, and reviewing system logs for any anomalies. Implement automated, off-site backup solutions and periodically test your recovery plan to prevent data loss. Remember, proactive maintenance is key to avoiding downtime. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.